What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you had a great week. Today, we're going to go check out the East Harrison Forest Service Road, which has been closed for about 2 months due to a giant landslide. And today's supposed to be the first day that the road is open. We're going to head up there, inspect the damages, see what other damage there is to areas that we like to explore, and probably go for a dip in the hot spring.
I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me.
Here, this whole part of the road was washed away, and they put in a temporary bridge just so traffic can get through here. That's interesting. Look, British Columbia Railway. It's like they repurposed an old railway bridge. You can see right here where the old road was that's just been like completely ripped away by the stream, and then on the other side there, fool's gold. We're just at the bottom of the Harrison East Forest Service Road. We're gonna head up. Mike's here with me. We're gonna see how far we can get up the road, try to get to the hot springs, check out the washouts along the way. You can see here the road's been just wiped out and repaired. I put in a big new pipe there.
We arrived at the first major slide just as the tractor was completing repairs. The operator advised that there was no way we'd be able to make it to the hot springs. We'll see about that.
Just absolute carnage. The power of water. This was completely impassable yesterday. Water's super low.
Any sign of tire tracks on some of the areas we frequent were replaced by smooth sand washed up by high waters.
Came across the first real washout that we've seen so far, but looks like it's gonna be pretty easy to pass. Gonna have to go through some of these ruts. Should be fun.
We made quick work of crossing the trenches left in this section of the road, but the real challenge would be yet to come. Shortly up the road, all the tire tracks came to a stop, and for good reason.
Looks like they turned around. So a little bit further, and there's a massive washout here. This thing is just ripped through the mountain. So I think we can cross it. We're just gonna have to remove some of this wood.
There was a huge gorge inside of the mountain down to the rocks, and all the mud was now planted on the road under the trees that had washed down with it.
I think maybe half an hour and we'll be through. Mike? No.
I feel great.
Yeah. Our plan here, we're gonna drive the Jeep through the parts that we've cleared all the trees out. We're gonna use a snatch block to a tree, winch this stump a little bit out of our way, drive over the rest, be on our way.
Got it, keep going.
This tree had been blocking the way and had to be moved. Unfortunately, the winching had dug our tires deep into the mud, and we were stuck.
I'd stop. Sean, you still feel good about this?
Yeah, man. I feel great about it.
The slick mud wasn't quite ready to let us go yet, and it would take another winch pull to get the Jeep free.
Looks like you're clear of the hole.
We'd made it across. I live for this stuff.
More high.
The final hills were proving to be a challenge to climb in the snow. A challenge we accepted, of course, inching our way closer and closer to a nice hot spring bath.
Right?
I wish I was videotaping this right now. That's awesome. Woo! I think we're good unless you want to cut one more time, but let's bring the winch up. Let's try to winch this one back.
dude, I think we're here. We're here. This is the hot spring.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, we did it. Woo! We made it.
Yeah, that's why there's no snow there.
Ha! We did it! And they said it couldn't be done. Made it to the hot springs. First people in probably 2 months. Fresh snow. There's about a foot of snow most of the way. Down trees, washouts, you name it. We're here. We got the place all to ourselves. Oh boy. Full of mud. We're doing our best to clean out the tubs here a little bit. They're full of some kind of wood chips and dirt.
This is Cleaner Mike.
My theory is that there was a mudslide, or mud was washing down the mountain here and got washed into the hot spring source, and then mixed with the hot spring water at the source, and then came in through the pipe and has contaminated all of the tubs. But we're still going in.
After a good soak, we decided to head back before dark.
Yeah.
I don't see any turnarounds either, so no one's been in here. Just us.
It's a weekday, right?
This is a cool picture.
So here's the deal, guys. We got to go back through this washout we came through to get back. Our goal is to go through it without getting stuck in the same mud hole, because there are no trees to winch off on the way back. So if we get stuck, it's bad news.
This is one of those moments you never want to happen. While driving over a stump, it rotated the roots into the wheel well, damaging the fender.
Okay, stop right there. Stop, stop.
That was close. Figure that out later.
Left, hard left.
Luckily, these fenders just clip back in. Barely any damage done, and it could have been a lot worse. We made our way back through the rest of the trail with ease. What a great adventure. We were prepared, we used all of the gear at our disposal to make it to our destination and back home safely. Thanks for watching, guys. Do me a favor if you like this video and hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications. You're not going to want to miss what we do next week. My name is Sean, and this is Story Till Now.